guys, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to set a Lovable AI username. So in order to do this, on your profile, click your profile on the upper right hand side, and here you want to go ahead and click on settings. Within the setting options, you want to go ahead and click under account, click your name. That's going to, you will go ahead and click on your name there on the left side, and here you'll find a username. It says your public identifier and profile URL. So you want to go ahead and create your own username. So let's say I don't want to use this. I click in this section here where they have this long name, and I could type, for example, Drew tutorial. Right, let's say that's what I want for my username. I just need to go ahead and type it in, Drew tutorial, and just go ahead and click on save, and you will see it quickly saves and create my new username for me. And you will see as well that it also creates a new link for me. So this will be my URL, and that's it. You can always go ahead and click on your URL and share it with someone, and they'll be able to see your profile on Lovable. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to create a username on Lovable.